So, good morning everyone. So, for today's topic, ang ating topic is all about Python installation, VS installation, and yung ating PyCharm installation. So, the first we need to do, dito muna tayo sa ating Python installation. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating Python installation, it means magda-download tayo ng Python sa ating device. Okay? So, paano muna gawin 'yan? So, before anything else, all we need to do is to check yung ating device if meron na tayong pre-installed Python sa ating device. So, para ma-check natin, so window icon, then search natin command prompt. Ayan. So, i-type lang natin python space hyphen version, then enter. So as you can see, I have pre-installed Python 3.13.7. This is probably the latest version ng ating Python. So if wala kang Python sa device mo, lalabas yan dyan na there's no found. Walang na-found na Python. So if wala, kailangan natin mag-install. If meron, katulad nito, meron na ako, hindi ko na kailangan. Okay? Hindi ko na kailangan mag-install. So close natin. So, halimbawa wala pa tayong Python sa ating device. So, all we need to do is to go to search natin. So, Python. Ayan. Search lang natin yung Python. Python download. Ayan. So, search lang natin yan. Ito yung lalabas dyan, Python. But since down yung kaniyang website, hindi siya makapag-load, mag-base na lang tayo sa materials. So, here. So, halimbawa, nakapunta na tayo. Ito na yun. Naglo-load kasi siya dito. Ayan, punta na tayo dito. Ito yung lalabas dyan, yung mismong website niya. Ayan. So, ngayon ang gagawin mo dyan, since nasa downloads na tayo, all you need to do is to click this button. Ayan. Itong button na yan. Yan, yung button na yan. As you can see, ang button na yan is nagsasabi, download Python 3.13.7. Kasi yan po yung ating latest version for Windows. So, pwede mo rin siyang i-download depende sa um, OS ng device mo. So, we have for Linux, for Mac OS, and others. Okay? But right now, since Windows ang gamit natin, naka-automatic na siya for Windows. Okay? So, i-download lang natin tong latest version. So, bakit latest version yung pinapa-install? Kasi may mga um, IDE na hindi gumagana si Python 'pag lower version na siya. So, mas recommended if you're going to use this version, okay? So, na-download na pala natin, eh. So, kunyari napindot mo na 'yan. So, mapupunta na 'yan dito sa downloads mo, ah, okey, mapupunta na 'yan diyan. Ngayon, 'pag na-download na natin, kunyari nag-download na siya, all you need to do is to click that file, yung na-download mong file. 'Pag na-click mo na 'yan, ito yung lalabas diyan. So all you need to do first is to um, check this. Check this, use admin privilege when installing the Py execution file. The next thing to do is to, ayan, click and check the add Python exec to file para hindi ka na magka-problema. Okay? So pag na-check mo na yung dalawang boxes na yan, you can install na. Pwede mo na itong pindutin. Yan. Install now. Okay? Install now. After that, ito yung lalabas dyan. Yung ating setup progress. So, pag kailangan mo lang antayin yan to install para ma-set up nyo na ng buo yung ating Python. After that nyan, may mga next pa kasi yan eh. May mga next button lang yan. And then, after it was set up, all you need to do was close. Then, pwede mo na ulit siyang i-check sa ating command prompt. Okay? So, pag na-close mo na yan, type mo lang ulit 'tong Python version, okey? So, again, enter. Dapat meron na 'yan lalabas, okey? Lalabas na yung version na dinownload mo. It means, it is the confirmation if nakapag-install ka na ba na yung Python. So, dapat lalabas diyan yung Python and then yung pinaka-version. So, again, 'pag mag-i-install tayo, all we need to do is to check. Then, if wala, mag-run lang tayo sa official store ni Python, okay? And then install, after ng setup, punta ulit tayo sa command prompt and i-check natin yung kanyang latest version, kung na-install ba siya ng properly. So here, na-install siya ng properly. So done na tayo sa ating first installation ng Python. So meron na tayong Python sa ating device. So that's it. So we are back. So the next we need to do after ma-set up natin yung Python is yung ating VS Code installation naman. So, paano naman yun? So, baba tayo, scroll tayo. Ito. So, all we need to do is to go to this website. Kasi ito po yung ating official website ni Visual Studio. Para legit at hindi baka virus kasi yung mapasok, yung ma-download nyo if hindi siya official store. Okay? Napunta tayo. So, paano ba pumunta dyan uli? So, all we need, pwede naman ganito lang. So, visual, and search mo itong below. Okay? Visual Studio Code. Then, go to this button. Okay? And then, dito kanya dadalhin. So, makikita nyo, meron siyang tatlong OS. Three different versions. We had the Windows, Linux, and si Mac OS. So, depende yan sa operating system ng device nyo. So, for me, Windows ang gamit ko. So, i-click mo lang 'to, clickable 'yan, and then automatically magda-download siya here, okay? So, all you need to do if na-click mo na siya, i-wait mo na lang, okay? Wait mo. Then, if okay na, you can easily click that button, and then ito na yung lalabas diyan once na ma-click mo na yung downloaded. Ito. So, ito lang naman is basically isa-set up mo lang yung downloaded na VS Code. So, you need to do is accept the terms and agreement, then next. Then, follow mo lang yung kanyang mga instructions, next mo lang. And then, of course, mapupunta ka dito sa ating selected destination location. So, kailangan mo i-locate kung saan mo siya gustong set up, kung saan mo siya gustong i-install. Okay? Then, after that, now it's installing na. So, all you need to do is to wait until the installation is done. Then, after that, you can go okay. Then, pwede mo na siyang buksan. Halimbawa, ito na. Ito na siya. Ayan. So, ito yung lalabas dyan. Ganyan. Wala to. Since bago lang yung Visual Studio nyo, dapat wala yan. So, kung gagawa ka ng Python mo, ayan. So, isip ka ng kahit anong pangalan or word, Apple, that file. Then, okay. As you can see, nag-automatic na siya lumabas. Automatic na yan. Naka-Python file na siya. Okay? Lagi niyong tatandaan, pag Python, py.py. Okay? So, eto na. Meron na tayong Visual Studio Code. So, ano na yung next? So, the next we need to do is, we need to, what? We need to do what? We need to install the extensions sa ating VS Code kasi hindi pa yan gagana. Okay? Hindi pa yan siya agad gagana. Kasi malawak ang range nito ni VS Code. So, punta tayo kay Python. So, paano mahanap natin yung extensions? Punta lang tayo dito. Here. Ayan. Makikita mo yung parang um, cube na yan. Ayan. Pindutin mo yan. And then, i-search mo yung Python. Yes, Python. Python, ayan. Since Python yung gusto nating i-install. Ayan, so alin dito ang dami, 'di ba? So ito lang 'yan. Ito, yang mismong Python. Click that. Since sa'kin kasi is pre-installed na siya, i-install mo lang 'yan and then after you install, mag-o-automatic na 'yan gagana, okey? Then if na-install mo na, okey na siya, you can easily close that. Then balik ka dito sa Explorer mo and you can easily code na ng Python, okey? So ito, for example, itong exec, ayan. So this is the mission, vision, and the core values. So try natin siya pagganahin na. Ayan, gumagana na yung ating, meron na tayong basic function ng um, Java, ay ng Python, okay? Sorry. So, as you can see, basic ano lang to, basic Python. So, print lang to, there's nothing else. Okay, basic function lang. And I think that is for the whole installation process ng ating VS Code. Okay? Okay. So here, for the last installation naman, so habol na lang natin to si PyCharm. So meron naman na tayong VS Code. So now, install naman natin si PyCharm. Okay? So paano natin install si PyCharm? Of course, same process lang siya katulad kay VS Code. So punta tayo dito. Or you can search PyCharm download. Then, ito yung lalabas. Okay? Remember this. Yan dapat yan. Sa JetBrains. Then, you can easily select and Windows. And then download. Click download and automatic na siyang magda-download. Okay? Click. And then something like that. Since demo lang naman to. So, ayan na. Kunyari na-install mo na siya. Na-download mo na siya. All you need to, ito yung unang magpa-pop up pag binuksan mo na yung na-download mong file. So, all you need to do was next. And then, step 2 was to remember, ayan, i-store mo ulit yung saan mo gusto ilagay si PyCharm. Okay, then next. Now, ayan na, mag install na yan. Si PyCharm, medyo matagal din i-install. But, mas maganda siyang gamitin kay VS Code since kinukumpleto na kasi yung mga syntax niya pag nagta-type ka. So, suggested ko talaga si PyCharm. So, the next one, pagkatapos itong mapuno, yan, tapos siya ma-install, then you can easily finish. Okay? Or you can do run the PyCharm itself na. So, ready to code na siya. So, ganun lang i-install si PyCharm. Actually, halos same lang sila ng installation process ni Visual Studio. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali. So, again, recap natin ha. I-recap natin tong mga ating pinaggagawa. So, as you can see here, dito na sa una, nag-install tayo ng Python installation. So, Python. Then, what else next? Nag-download tayo ng VS Studio Code. Okay? And the last one is yung ating, eto pa, yung ating Python extension. Ayan, sa VS Code. So, nakita natin yung kanina kung paano. Then, yung ating PyCharm installation. So, again, so ganito gumagana yung ating mga IDE, okay? Para sa ating Python. So, that is for this video. This topic is for the installation processing and setup ng ating um, Python, PyCharm, and ng ating Visual Studio Code. Thank you.